Okay, a thing I like to do before each day and between when I refuel the chainsaw is to retouch the blade to make sure it is always very sharp. What I'm using is a device to sharpen the blade. This is deceptively simple, but there's a lot of technology in there. Okay, there's a big file here, bastard file, which is used to rake, to file the rake here, and there is a round file here to sharpen the teeth. And one way it is, and the way it is angled, you angle it with the blade, with the teeth, and that gives you always the proper angle to sharpen your saw. And when you are done with one side, you turn it around and you do it again with the opposite teeth. And what I like to do, this one is made by Stihl. I bought it at the same time as I bought my chainsaw. You can find these things, but not made by Stihl, on Amazon. But the one bought at the dealer is only a few dollars more expensive than the one you will get on Amazon. But at least when you buy it from the dealer, you know you have the proper size file for your chainsaw blade. And what I like to do is with a marker, I mark one of the teeth, so I know when I did a complete circle. So this way, like that. Okay, you follow, there's a little arrow that gives you the direction of the filing. So you angle the file with the chainsaw blade and you give it a good push. In my case, since the blade is being touched up regularly, I only do a one pass with the file, which is enough to keep it very sharp. Of course, you need a stable bench to work on it, but for the purpose of the camera, that will do. So I keep doing it like that. It is deceptively simple, and you don't need any battery powered or extension cord or nothing complicated. And practically that's all you need. Now I am back to the blade where I put the little marker on it. So now I will have to turn it around and do, let me see, I have to get the proper angle, yeah, and do the opposite teeth. So that's what I do every time I refill the chainsaw, just to make sure it is always sharp, especially then where I'm working right now. There's a lot of logs that are laying down on the ground, and I cannot help it sometimes that the tip of the blade touches the ground, and that dull the teeth. So that's why I do it every time I refill the fuel tank. Thank you.